Hey, welcome to Lawnmower Care. Today we have a good one. I have a Husqvarna R120S that won't move. And I took the cover off of it. It's pretty simple. It's got some bolts here and on the other side, and then it pops off. So when I popped it off, I felt like I should do a video on this. You just take the cover off, because I noticed it had a broken drive belt. So I went ahead and said, maybe I should do a video just to show what it looks like from what I see. You can see that it's not in the pulley, and it's laying right here, and it's broken. So there's that. And I had a belt pretty similar to its size, and it's spring loaded, so something close. This one's just a cheap generic belt, but just to throw something on there to get it to work, you know what I'm saying? So this will work. It's like a snowblower belt, I believe, but it's the same, pretty much the same size. If you measure them up, it's pretty close. Pretty easy to put on. I usually just loosen up the spring here, and then this tensioner comes loose, and then you can kind of slide the belt in there. What I would do is slide the belt over top, bring it back a little bit, and I don't lock it in the front, and then I'll just feed it to the back, because there's like an engine pulley area back here. There we go. And then you want to kind of feed it in here, down at the bottom. Just get it around that pulley, and then kind of pull it tight, and then you can kind of see, we'll put it around the top pulley here. So it's around the top pulley and then around the engine pulley back there. And then we want to go to the other side of the machine here, because we're going to put some tension on there, and I'll show you how to do it. So we moved our tensioner all the way out. It's around the front here, around the back. Then we want to tension. See how we tension? And then it goes, a spring goes here and a spring goes here. So we put the spring around it. And then what you want to do is get a good screwdriver of some sort. I have these, I have a kind of a hook to remove rubber hoses, and I can kind of pull it back and just kind of put it in there. There we go. So now it's tensioned. It's around the pulleys and it's on the back side. Looks pretty good. It's around that engine pulley back there. So our belt is on. Let's go for a test. Started up, all this stuff's supposed to spin, so let's go ahead and give it a start. All right, let's test forward. Let's test backwards. There we go. That's a pretty quick fix right there. If you like what you're watching and you want to see more, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.